How to delete your Telegram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can delete your Telegram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your Telegram account, let's say you want to delete it from your browser, it's very simple. All you have to do is just come to this direct link, which is my.telegram.org/auth, which is the official link to delete account. Now all you have to do is make sure to verify your Telegram phone number with also the country code. So if you don't enter your country code, this number is not going to work because Telegram cannot figure out which country is it from. So please enter your number in international format, right? Make sure to enter the country code and then only go ahead and then proceed with entering your number over here. I'm just leaving it XXX because I don't want my number to be revealed. Now just click that next option here and it will send a verification code. Once it sends a verification code, you should be able to delete your account from this page. I'll make sure to drop a link below as I said it. So this way you'll be able to basically delete your Telegram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.